Connor, say strawberry.
Strawberry.
Yeah, you want to take it? Use your hand. Connor, where's your hand? Okay, put this in your hand. Put the strawberry in your hand. And now use your hand to put it in your mouth. Good job. Put it in your mouth. Do you want it? You going to eat the strawberry? Connor, are you going to eat the strawberry? Yeah, yummy, huh? Wait. Chew what's in your mouth. What's in your mouth, honey? Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Take a bite. Just a bite. Good job. Say yummy. Connor, say yummy. Okay, you don't know where you're going. What's this one?
Apple.
Apple. Do you want a bite? Okay. Connor, you need to sit. You sit right there. I will give you the food, okay? Now, what's this one?
Apple.
Well, this is not an apple. This is a strawberry. Can you say strawberry?
Strawberry.
Yeah.
Apple.
Apple and strawberry. Do you want the strawberry?
Apple. Apple.
Mm-hmm.
Apple. Apple.
Come here, because that had some... Are you going to be able to swallow the peel? Let me see. Do you want strawberry? Can you say strawberry? Say yummy. Hold on, honey. Peekaboo. 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 Say yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.